to retry an AI generation with a new seed in Artlist AI. Start by opening your Artlist account and navigating to the workspace where your original image or video was generated. The seed value is what controls randomness in AI generation, so changing it allows you to produce a completely new variation while keeping the same prompt. Once you are in the AI image or video generator, locate your previous generation result in the output panel. Each generated asset usually has options such as regenerate, remix, or retry depending on the interface version. Click the regenerate or retry option to begin creating a new variation. This will reopen the generation settings for the same prompt. Inside these settings, look for an advanced option labeled seed or random seed. To generate a new variation, enable the option for a new or randomized seed. This tells the AI to use a different starting point for generation, which results in a fresh output even if the prompt remains the same. If you leave the seed unchanged, the AI may produce a similar or nearly identical result. After adjusting the seed setting, you can also refine your prompt if you want more control over the outcome. However, if your goal is simply variation, keeping the same prompt and changing only the seed is enough. Once everything is ready, click Generate again. The AI will process your request using the updated seed value and produce a new version of your image or video. After the generation is complete, review the new result and compare it with previous outputs. This helps you choose the version that best fits your creative direction or project needs. Using different seeds is especially useful when you want multiple creative variations from a single idea without rewriting your prompt. It allows you to explore different compositions, styles, and visual interpretations quickly. And that's how you retry an AI generation with a new seed in Artlist AI. Open your previous result, use the retry option, change or randomize the seed, generate again, and compare the new variations until you find the best output.